This is how to make your own plugin for Roblox Studios. First, you just want to add a script wherever. To make the plugin work, we have to create a toolbar, which we could do with a variable, and just equal that to plugin, create toolbar, and then parentheses, and then just give it a name. I'm gonna do like test, and then after that you do another variable, and then this is gonna be the button that will be displayed. You just do anything really, and then equal to toolbar create button, and then parentheses. Then you want to put a name here, so I'm just gonna do test, and then you want to put like kind of a description here. I'm just gonna call it test again, and then in this one you're gonna put your image for like the plugin, how it would be here, like the water. You just have to have it have the RBX asset ID stuff before it, but you can just leave it blank. That's all you need to do, and then to detect if you click the button, you just do that dot click, and then you connect that to a function, and then you can just do anything. And then to make it up to upload it, you go to the code, right click it, publish as a plugin. You can change the creator, you can do price, you can add an image, description, or if you want to make it so it's a personal plugin only for you, you can press save as local plugin, and then you just save it. Then it would be it's right there, and you can see at the bottom it will print click like I told it to when you click it. And yeah, there you go. That's how to make a plugin.